Hi everyone, I'm a medical student, and today we're going to discuss about how does the exercise actually do to our brain when we do the exercise. There's so many reasons why people come to the exercise. Presumably, they want to avoid a cardiovascular disease, they want to avoid diabetes, or they just even want to lose weight and to to get in shape. But in this video, I just want to mention, I just want to look at the exercise through the lens of neurophysiology. First, okay, exercise, and this is your brains. When you do the exercise, your brain will release so many different neurotransmitter, but some neurotransmitter can help the brain in the good working order for starting, named serotonin, dopamine, and the norepinephrine. Serotonin can take control of your brain to some state like aggressiveness or anger. Dopamine, on the other hand, is there's so many YouTube videos have talked about the dopamine before. So I just want to briefly say that dopamine can help the brain to stay in the motivated. And you can imagine that motivation is so important for you to attain and achieve your goals. The last one is norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is eventually like it refers to the attention perception and is extremely necessary for your brain to study. Okay, anyway, the kind of neurotransmitter help the brain to be in a good working order for studying, and it's increased when you do the exercise. The next thing, and is so extremely remarkable, is BDNF. BDNF is what is BDNF? BDNF refers to the brain derived neurotrophic factor. This kind of special substances help your brain to help the neural cells to be developed. This is your neural cells. Okay, so this is the cell body, and this is the axon where it has so many myelin sheet here, and these are the dendrites. Okay, the BDNF helps your brain to have your neuron cells to be developed, be fully fledged, to be and making new cells. And the most important thing, especially for your memories and learning, is protect, nurture, nurturing to help your neuron cells to survive. It protects your neuron cells from being deteriorated because is so easy to understand that the neural plasticity happen in your brain is it will strengthen the connection which part of your brain get used the most. It will strengthen this. It will protect its nurturing. BDNF can increase when we're learning as well. But today I just want to mention that exercise increase the BDNF. Okay, so it is the because the thing that you don't use will deteriorate. You need to use it or lose it. Okay. The next thing is about the let me see. We have the neurotransmitter here. We have the BDNF. Okay, so and one more thing that I want you to remember is that when you're doing the exercise, so many researchers have shown that it's going to increase the newborn cells, especially at the hippocampus, which refer to your short-term memories or when the information will be binding together with the already known knowledge and binding with the emotion under the controlling of the prefrontal cortex. So, because this video is not too long for us to talk about how the information will be remembered, so I just want to tell you that it's integrated in the hippocampus, and the hippocampus is so vital for our studying. Okay, so with the neuron cells, but one more thing, neuron cells, it's just like blank cells. They are blank. They seems like children. They don't know anything. And if these kind of neurons want to survive, they need to binding. They need to binding with the other cells. They need to binding. It means that when you create the new neurons by doing exercise, especially the aerobic exercise, and you want to keep those new neurons, you need to put them, into the environmental enrichment. It means that you need to study, you need to have the stimulation of learning to them to keep them stay longer. You need to make them become a part of the neural network. Okay, so doing exercise can help us to get into the best state for learning. This one, and this can increase the extremely important substance in the neuron called BDNF. It can develop your neurons, make new cells, and protect it from damaged and deteriorate. And when you create the neuron cells by doing exercise, we need to learning to keep it, to protect it from despair. Okay, that is the end of the video today, and I hope it can give you the short information about something like we need to move to stay stronger and healthier. Okay, say goodbye.